Part 5. Water don high pass. Question 1. Wetin water cover during flood? A. Only valley. B. Land but no touch mountain. C. Highest mountain. D. Only desert. C. Highest mountain na water cover during flood. How many cubit water pass top of mountain? A. 10 cubit. B. 15 cubit. 20 cubit for C. D. 25 cubit. B. 15 cubit na water take pass top of mountain. Wetin happen to every living thing wey no dey inside the ark? A. Dem run go another place. B. Dem hide for cave. C. Dem die. D. Dem survive. C. Dem die.